Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. I am back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Yes, of course, we are in Katlehong, honey. We in the streets looking for abantu abanamjolo ngaphakathi. Best believe, ziyamporoma. Sanibonani dumelang mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure ma. Best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
No,
but
no, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke ebale nobala. So yini inkinga yakho kani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi na imfihlo?
But what is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what? Guys, hello. Hi. How are you? Guys, I'm sorry to ambush you, ne? My name is Lisa. I have a YouTube channel. And I can see that you guys are a couple. Yeah. Can I ask you guys a few questions?
Okay.
Do you don't mind?
Yeah. Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. What's your name? Spiwe.
Yeah.
And?
Tando.
How long have you guys been together?
4 years.
4 years?
Yes, 4 years.
How old are you guys?
I'm 20.
You're 20?
Yeah.
You're 20 and you're 18?
Yes.
So you guys started dating in high school?
Yes, you can say so.
Are you serious?
Yeah. We date serious.
So is university now?
Yes.
And you are?
I'm doing my grade 12.
You don't think he's cheating on you with cute varsity girls? Are you secure?
You'll never do that.
You'll never really?
Yeah.
Fully? Do you trust yourself?
Yeah.
Do you trust her?
Yeah.
Fully?
Yeah.
And you trust yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, then what's that one thing you really like about her?
I'm born, I'm fit you.
Yeah. Oh yes, everything. Body, face. So it's all about appearance.
Yeah.
So if you were to meet another woman that looks exactly like this, are you gonna cheat then?
There's no other woman like me.
Okay, great. Okay. You're not wrong. So it's appearance based.
No.
You're not gonna say, oh, she cooks for me, whatever. Hope she doesn't. You guys don't stay together, obviously.
Yes.
Okay. What about you? What do you like about him?
He takes care of me, does everything that I want, you know.
Financially?
Not financially, but like he's supportive, kind, honest, and loyal, I hope. Yeah.
Nah. So if you say he does everything that you want, what does that include if it's not money?
If I'm not okay, maybe, and it's around 2 a.m. And then Kimberly. Like he can make anything to contact me or to make me feel okay. Yes.
Okay. All right. Then, sir, you said it's pure, right?
Yeah.
Are you guys willing then to prove your loyalty to each other?
Yeah.
Tricky. Your is tricky. Okay. Then switch phones for me, guys. Let's switch phones. She's going to go through her phone for 30 seconds. You're going to go through her phone for 30 seconds.
Phones, period.
No, that's fine. But I need yours out as well.
My sister. Oh,
but if there's nothing on your phones, you can use a wash agala,
yeah,
right? So then, if there's nothing? Thank you. All right, CMTV viewers, it is about that time. Absolutely. Ziamporoma. All right, guys, can I come between you guys? Assembly. This is your one, ne?
Yes.
Okay. And then this is your one. This is his. Okay. All right. Do you have a password? I don't know if you... Why are you shaking?
Hey.
Hey, come on.
I never see it.
And this is starting with her phone. I already know there's probably something on yours. Okay, you know what? Okay, go. Oh, there's no. Oh, okay. Go on to WhatsApp for me.
Yeah.
Then type I love you.
Mina, I'm loyal, Shane.
Fully.
But I told me you could see when's next ever seats. Because boy.
Okay, scroll. You said your name is Piran, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, that's you, Miss.
Yeah, obvious. Ngiyamthemba ngiyamazi angeke wrong. Ngiyamthemba.
Okay, I miss you. His hands are shaking. His face is shaking. Shame. Oh, Skepsel. Type. No, we're not done.
We're not done. Okay.
Type. Oh, you typed it. Okay, scroll. I didn't see you scroll. Slow down. That's you, Miss.
Yeah.
Okay, scroll some more. Clean. Type thank you. Let's see who's sending her money or doing her favors.
Why ushika?
Angishake.
Hey, I saw your pants. Oh. Ihlozi.
Manik, my sister.
Lakulahla shem namhla
Those are, I see females and you. Okay, type babe.
My sister ngiyamthemba lo muntu angeke ngizobona.
You need to check properly though. Clean, Miss. Okay, do you have Instagram? Do you have Instagram or Facebook? Facebook. Go on to Facebook. Okay. Then go into the inbox.
Uyangwarisha indlela oshika ngayo.
Hey.
Ngithanda ume man kanti.
Hey, senguthanda mai.
Ubani kanti?
Who's Thando?
Hayibo ubani kanti?
Kaloku babe, kaloku this is babe. Now you're calling her Thando.
Igama lakho busithatha sigama lakho Thando.
Hayi, akonda.
Ngabantu into zenzayo. Hayi.
Okay, just scroll. You see, ladies speak the same language. I knew she wanted to be called babe. Sir.
Igama lakho Thando musi.
Namhla nguthanda.
Okay, it looks clean to me. It looks clean. You don't have Instagram, right?
Yes.
Do you? You
No.
don't? Okay. Okay, it's done. For us. Do you have a password here? Do you have a password? Is your phone off? On. It switches.
Why if fingerprint wrong? For the phone.
Thank you. All right. WhatsApp, ne?
Okay.
Hey, you.
WhatsApp.
There's also a fingerprint on WhatsApp. Hayi inkulu. Unzulu.
Yo. Kashisa.
Yo. Okay, type I love you.
Hey, angaqedi nokutype. Hey. Ubani riyabethu?
Red bet. Badu riyabethu.
Yomntana sesikela.
Wasesikela uthi I love you.
You love her.
Umuntu ka
When I watch it, I
Yena
love you
she fell in
too.
love with your personality.
Hayi man. Umuntu Thando.
Uyangitesta okanye?
Asho ekutshela ukuthi umuntu kabani.
Phiwe ubani uriyabethu?
Masho ekutshela ukuthi umuntu kabani. Kantulelani.
Umuntu kabani ofela
Kahle kahle bekaringa nomlifi, bekaringa nami, bekaringa nomlifi.
Nomlifi efonini yakho?
Yeah.
Akana phone.
Akanafuni umlifi, angisho yazi.
Really?
Yeah.
Nihlangana kanjani nomlifi? Umlifi aseFosloras usePitor. Nihlangana kanjani? Nihlanganisa neriyabethu? Ungabaleki sondele imala.
Makana uyazi muzi.
Imala.
Ungifuna
Ngifuna la ke. Ubani riyabethu chaza. Thatha nefoni yakho ngizoyiphahlaza futhi ngophahlazo yimo already.
No, don't take your phone. You need to call Riyabethu.
Yo.
Yo.
Ubhizi lo
Oh, so
muntu my sister.
uyaphekela
Who's busy?
Wena lo muntu lo ufuna ukumfonela.
Wazela ukuthi ubhizi.
Ubhizi lo muntu angisho ngiyazi.
Wazela
Busy was
because
Eish. Now uyazi konke
Oh, were you just talking to her? Were you just talking to her?
Konke ngenzela zona.
eziphi?
Oh, you're cheating because there's things that she doesn't do.
Yeah.
Like what?
Uyazi akanginiki kahle.
Siphiwe uthini?
Ungani kwantulelani?
Sonda imala.
Yeah.
Eziphi?
Uyazi mfethu.
Eziphi? Utheni?
Sometimes ungekho ngiyenzeni? Manje ngilambe.
Awukwazi ukulinda.
Hayi.
So kuriya bethu ifaki iyothoka isazela.
Phela kumele manje.
Are you serious?
My sister.
Ngithe sondela.
Eish.
Are you gonna stay with him, girl?
Uzohlala noRebet wakhe.
Do you wanna call her?
Kanjani?
You wanna call her? I think let's call her.
Yeah. You should always busy. Sifuna ukubona ukuthi
Siyathandana musimna nawe kanti.
But you
today benguthando kuwe. Jiki siyathanda.
Uthando musi.
but her name is Baby.
Eish.
4 years. Ngithe imala Siphiwe.
Yabizwa. Siphiwe.
Ngila. Ayikho lo mekhana ngila.
Wait, so Siphiwe, so you are dating Tando,
Yeah.
and then Uriabet, what is she? Is she friends with benefits, or you also dating?
Snack nyana yabo.
So friends with benefits.
Yeah, ngasho.
Snack.
Usungekho musasikho.
So does she know that you're dating Tando? So she thinks you're her boyfriend.
Yeah.
But to you she's a snack.
Yeah, snack.
Hi wena.
Angisho yambona.
But she thinks you're also her person. Uriabet.
Anginandaba nami mina nangu. Ungangilwisi kanti.
Imalana.
How long have you been with Uriabet?
2 years.
2 years.
2 years.
Yes.
Yo.
Eish.
Let's call her. So you've been cheating on her for 2 years.
Eish.
Yo, bored. Fingerprint.
Sundi bahamba buti, sundi bahamba.
Don't run. I also. Lily, can I please have the phone? Thank you.
Is up imala. La.
GPV, Tando.
Eish.
Tando GPV.
Kanti wena masista kahlahlubu yapho wena.
Eqabeha.
Makuyasimoshela yabo.
Really? But you're the one cheating.
Siphiwe after 4 years.
Ndingazobethwa eNkatlehong.
Silungisa ini unomuntu wa 2 years wena.
Makuyazi ngithanda wena musi.
Yo.
Manithanda.
Yilo uthando le. Yilo uthando le.
Eish.
Asisizuse nothini.
Lento siyilungisa ngisho yazi.
Are you willing to dump Ria?
Yeah.
So you're willing to give up that cookie?
Hello unjani? Ngiyaphila nami. Ungikhuluma nobani?
Cousin for talking to Ria.
Ngikhuluma noRia. Uhlanganisa noSiphiwe sisi. Awazi ukuthi uSiphiwe unomuntu. Uzongidelisa ngalo muntu wakho. Mtshela ukuthi usamfuni.
Area.
Ngingi.
Mfethu asihlukane mfethu. Siyeke hayi.
Mtshela unomuntu.
Eish, uyambona masisister yalwa lo muntu hayi.
Mtshela unomuntu.
Umshela njani?
Uyazi ngiyamthanda musi. Hayi. Sengiright ngawo mfethu. Sengiright ngawo mfethu. Hayi, siyeke. Uyabona kafuni.
Ria, we in Katlehong Iza. Iza we in Katlehong. Guys, Ria's coming. Are you sure? Why do you look like you're being forced? Do you want to do this?
Umuntu wami lo.
Can you suffer ifake iyekuzazela?
Eish.
Akakeki bengizowazi nini ukuthi uyajola.
Exactly.
Makuyazi musi.
Ngazi ini.
Uhlezi ungekho manthanda ngenzeni? Uhlezi ungekho ngenzeni?
Uyaqhubeka ungibiza.
Uhlezi ungekho.
So it's her fault that you cheated basically. It's her fault.
Yeah.
How?
Usuka ngekho my sister.
What are you smoking? You're so chilled. Does he smoke weed? Can I have? Do you smoke weed? Why are you so relaxed? You're not stressed that you're about to lose your woman. You're so chilled. He's done this before, and you forgave him. That's why he's like this, ne? Yeah.
Bekonume. Seguri. Go 4 years.
So he's cheated twice, and you forgave him twice. Are you gonna stop cheating?
I got smelled.
Are you gonna stop cheating?
Yeah.
You're not gonna stop. Why do you keep cheating? Because she keeps forgiving you. Okanye, you know she's not going anywhere, ne? You know she's not going anywhere.
My sister was
But you know she's not leaving. But why do you keep cheating?
Asahambe.
Pendula umbuzo.
Asahambe.
Why ujola? Why ujola spew?
Asahambe mfethu.
Ungangibambi. Uhamba yaphi lapha?
Bese
Asahambe isimelluri. Asahambe isimelluri.
Khohla boriya kanti wawenza kahle.
Ayithawa somfuni.
Asahambe manini. Man.
Ungangibahambi.
Spiwe. Why do you keep cheating? Mina, I want an answer.
My sister.
Nobody essay.
Asahambe.
Why do you keep cheating?
Asahambe.
Into yenze vasisi.
Asahambe.
Into yenze vasisi ngoba ngekho.
Now uyasuka ungekho ngenzeni.
Ngimtshela umama kho lento yenza.
Usuka ungekho ngenzeni.
Ngimtshela umama kho lento yenzayo na.
Ungekho ngenzeni.
Uzomphendula lento ngiphendula yona. Ngangibambi.
My sister.
I'm not your sister. Spiwe.
Yeah, sizohamba simeluria imalawe.
Why do you keep cheating? I need that answer, then I'm gonna let you guys go.
My sister ngiyasuka ngekho ngenzeni.
Awukwazi ukungilinda.
Okay, but
ngibhizi even for a weekend.
Ngikulinde. Efethu nginamafili.
So after this, ne? If she fixes it and she's always there, you're still gonna cheat. So it's her fault that you cheated.
Yeah.
Hey.
The last time usha so.
Asahambe.
Sama sapi smeluri.
Asahambe.
Smele uria bethu.
Tanda, this guy's not gonna change, ne? At some point you need to leave. Also, you.
Sasi phone yakho, sasi.
Yabo, at some point you're gonna have to go.
Nyamiyeka kukumanje. Akusikokuqala.
Because you're gonna do it again.
Kanti wayothanda ukumosha into zabantu.
Huh?
Uyaphi wena?
Ciao. Bye-bye, guys. Please fix it, ne? Alright, CMTV viewers, that is it from me. Don't be a Lisa Serame. You know what it is. Zimporomile. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _ and as well as TikTok, Lisa Serame _. See you later. Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name of course is Lisa Serame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process of course I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are you Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Siyayibona into yenzayo.
No, but nengani.
No, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke baleni obala. So yini inkinga yakho kani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi nemfihlo?
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?